Happy Friday. This is Daniel Moody from BBT. First of all, I want to apologize because I'm traveling in the beautiful state of Indiana. Really nice and kind people. And I'm living actually in California. So I'm not home. So only I have one monitor. I don't know if you guys can hear me good or not. And one monitor, and that's it. And I don't have my desk and equipment. Today, actually, I made a couple trade, which most of them though I just ended up break even. But one that I want to mention it, and then especially I want to mention the mistake that I did, and I would like to share with you. And especially I discussed this trade with Peter D and Norm in the chat room. So the things that these guys told me, I would like to share it with you guys, and hopefully you guys don't do those mistakes. First of all, Apple was actually really great move. Had a great move today around 145. It come here, hit the 200 moving average in 5 minutes, and then it runs almost $4, 3.5 all the way to here. And Peter. Actually, no, Norm and Lee W took that trade. I was gonna take it and I hesitated, and then it reminded me that analogy that I created. If you go and watch the professional surfer, usually they wait and for the biggest wave for a day, and they don't waste their energy. They don't waste their time to go and catch every trade every wave, and they only catch the best wave for a day, and they're pretty done with that. Basically, Norm and Lee W, they did that. They just like a perfect trade was just from here to here, but I didn't, and then I was waiting, and I was thinking that Apple cannot go all the way just like to 160 or something. And when I was watching here, I see that the one area which is we have it in pre-market level that hit one time, so it was kind of resistance, hit two times, three times, and then when I see that this 1 minute bearish actually candle, and besides, and then when I see the 9 moving average is crossing the 20, I actually enter here, put my stop loss on 9 moving average here, so I give it like 20 cents. So my entry was actually 158.05, and my actually stop loss was here. I give it a couple cents, which was reasonable. 20 cents for a stock that 158 was pretty reasonable. And this is my risk, and this is my reward, which is 1 to 3, which is I believe it was just like worth to take it. And this part of my trade was good and nothing wrong with it. But the thing is that I have done wrong here. I should take a partial here, and which I didn't. So when I see that, you just like the resistance that the 200 moving average, even I just schedule limit order to get out of here just completely, which was wrong. I was thinking that just like get in and get out in 2 shots, and it's just like clean move, which was the whole scenario was wrong. I think I should take partially, Peter D and Norm mentioned it in the chat. I should took partial like 1/4 here, and I should brought my stop loss from 9 moving average all the way to this 20 moving average. And in the 5-minute chart also, if I just put, I just brought my stop loss to 9 moving average here. It just even didn't touch that. So it just like normal pullback. And the thing that I could have done, it was just like, it was another trade here. Just like, if I just like started from here, as you can see, it goes all the way to 150, 155.70 something. it could be another trade, which I really badly managed that trade. Anyway, just like we all learn from our mistakes, and hopefully that you guys learn from this. This trade. And the other thing is in 5 minutes, I totally forgot to tell you. When I see that this this candle just like passing this one, it was a perfect entry here. It's just like this bearish candle just passing that, so the entry was good, but getting out of the trade just like impatiently and immaturely was really wrong. That's just want to mention it. I wish you guys happy holidays and wish you the best year ever in 2019. And thank you for watching.